Warts are common, harmless yet annoying, and contagious viral infections. For a simple home remedy, cover the wart with duct tape to seal out any air and irritate the wart, prompting your immune system to attack it. This method also prevents spreading the virus. You can conceal the tape with a bandage and remember to wash the area weekly and rub away dead skin. Continue this treatment for up to 8 weeks, or combine it with 17% salicylic acid cream for stronger results. Alternatively, use medicated wart bandages for a more discreet option. If you have a facial wart and need a quick fix, use makeup, but always clean your brushes afterward to prevent spreading. Always consult your doctor before applying makeup to a healing wound after wart removal. And if home treatments aren't effective or you're concerned about your wart, seek medical advice.